Hi, everybody. Today is September 3rd, Wednesday, 2025. And this is just a couple of the programs that we did from computer programming class. Let's see, the first one, hold on a second. There we go. Can I make that always on top? No. The first one was the one which I made the turtle draw a house, and I'm going to CS home. That should always be the first two lines of code in a logo program. That clears the screen. This one clears the screen, and this one home returns the turtle back to the center of the screen. So I typed in forward 100, right 90, and then I did that 4 times. 2, 3, 4. And then forward 100, right 45, forward 70.71, right 90, forward 70.71. And I didn't do this in class, but I'm going to do it this time. I do HT, which is hide turtle. So when you run, it makes this little house shape. If I had taken the hide turtle part out of it, just be show turtle, which puts the turtle back in there, but we don't want that in there. So at the end, I'm just going to do hide turtle and run. So that was the first program we did. And then we talked about how to make it more efficient by taking this piece out and making it a repeat 4 times, forward 100, right 90. So that's going to go forward 100, right 90 4 times. And of course, when I run it, you don't see anything because it's already there. So let me try it this way. Okay, there we go. Now if I put this back in, there it is. It draws the house. So that's pretty efficient using this repeat statement. To get this 70.71, I used a little bit of trigonometry, not much. The next piece of this was the 5 to 7 pointed star. So most of us, when we were coding this, we saw in the top right of the screen, or somewhere on here, oh, here it is. Hold on. The examples, there it is. So there was an example for a star. I didn't realize that was on the screen. So when I said draw, have the turtle draw a 5-pointed star, a lot of folks just looked at this and did that. Okay, great. Though it didn't really require much thought. But then to change it to a 7-pointed star, it wasn't quite so cut and paste. You couldn't just do this. It turns out this magic number here is 154.2857. There we go, 7-pointed star. So repeat it 7 times and turn that amount right. Now there was on the Moodle page, or I just recently put a cool program that I was working on onto the Moodle page, and this one it creates a function that makes a star based on any number of points. So you create the function and then you run the program. This one uses a variable x and things like that, but it's a cool thing. Watch what it does. So it increases the number of points as it goes. So I have a little delay in here. Let's make this delay a lot less. And let's make the 100, make it 200. And then when I hit run, there we go. And it's almost like it's doing jumping jacks or something like that. It's kind of an interesting pattern because you can't really see the points as they're being created. It looks like one smooth animation. Anyway, that's what I was working on after you guys had left the class. Then what we did was we wrote out the instructions to make a paper airplane and Sunbutter and jelly sandwiches, and I tried to make your airplanes based on your instructions, and we learned that you have to be very clear and concise with instructions such as a computer program. And that's it. That's what we did today. Have a lovely rest of your day. Bye now.